5:08. It's a Saturday, and it's May 22nd, I think. Not really sure what. I think it's the 22nd. So it's been a pretty wild month. No, come on. By wild, I mean, I don't know. I feel like I could have worked another month in Charlotte and still been okay, but we didn't know. We thought everybody was ready, but they weren't ready. So I don't know. Anyway, I think I need to do some treating today for some ants. No. And I don't know. There's some weird looking streakers today. Let's see what you think. Kindly weird. All right, so I got everything treated around the house, around our house, treated on the roof a little bit because I saw some ants up there, and around the deck and some of the flower beds. So, you know, them ants got to go. So they're going. So right now I've got a blackie who's claiming. Hey, baby. You're a mess. You're a mess. Uh-oh. All right, well, since there was an option that I was going to have another meeting again today, I didn't really want to get involved in anything. So I decided to, I was like, I'll clean up the Hellcat because, you know, part of me was like, oh, maybe I'll take the duster out, but whatever. So I was cleaning up the Hellcat and had Snow with me and had music going, you know, and got around to the back and was cleaning the tag off. I got looking, I was like, my tag's out of date. And it went out of date 12/20 or 12 of 2020. I was like, oh my God. So apparently this whole time I've been driving it that I didn't have a sticker. So now I've got to go through my mail and try to find that. And I was like, because I thought I paid for it and I thought I got an inspection. But I was like, no, I got the van inspected, paid for the van tag, and then I paid for the duster's tag. So I was like, mate, I don't think I've got the Hellcat inspected. Because in December I wouldn't have had a day off to do it. So I probably was like, oh, I need to do that, and then just forgot. So I guess Monday, Chad's going to get an inspection on the Hellcat, and I don't know. We'll see. But I don't know if I can, I don't think I can pay for it and then get it inspected within a certain amount of time. I think you got to do it before you get it inspected, before you pay for a tag. So I may investigate that, but it's like, whoa. Oh, well. And got Santa Claus. I got this Santa Claus. And that's, nope, that's Corinne's. Okay, so I got the Santa Claus. We'll see what it is. All right, so item one, little over-the-shoulder bag. It's like my black one, but it's not black. For my other one, I got this. Well, it's okay. I got a small. It's a baggy small. I mean, the sleeves are right, but it's baggy. So, I don't know, but it's all right. It was kind of cheap, so. Anyways, kind of like the way the sleeves are. Don't like how the cuffs are. The cuffs are dumb. but it's all right. All right, well, it's 8:31, and got the car cleaned up. It's all shiny, but where's my light on? It's weird. Oh. Yep. So, kind of that Monday, and I put that there, put my Tony Hawk thing up, put my Preaching the Perverted Tour poster up, and oh, this. So, Corinne came home, got us pizza, and made a mixed drink. So, I'm gonna drink that, and we'll see what happens tomorrow.